This is the B&W wheeled hard case for the Phantom 4 drone. So I'm going to point out a few things on the case. First of all, it's a wheeled case. So you've got two proper rubber wheels on the bottom there. So you can extend this arm that comes up like so, and you can wheel your drone around. Okay, it's important because we are being told now that some of our customers, there's a certain amount of weight that they're allowed to carry. And if you've got your drone and a lot of batteries, it can get reasonably heavy, so you have got that option to wheel the case along as well. Also on the top there is a handle, so you can pick it up by that, and then on the side there is a handle there as well. Okay. On the front of the case you've got a valve to let air in if there's a change in air pressure, if the case is on an aircraft, and there's a nice little area there that you can change what's displayed, so you can put your own name or your business name. Also on the lid of the case there's this raised area here, which makes quite a nice place for you to put your business logo and details if you want to. Nice little feature. So back to the bits on the outside of the case. You've got the catches. There's 4 catches that go round, and when they're closed they hold the lid nice and secure. Each catch applies a bit of pressure to the lid to hold it down, and that's one of the reasons it's got its waterproof and dustproof ratings. And each catch lies flush with the body of the case, so you can't accidentally knock it. And this nice little feature, they have a little thing there, spring built sort of lever, so you can't accidentally open one of the catches. You've got to put your finger in and do it like that. So it's not something you'll see on some of the cheaper cases around. So that's the outside of the case. So if we open it up like that, undo the 4 catches, open the case, it's set up inside for a Phantom 4 standard, Pro or Advanced. So what I'm going to do now is put some things into the case so we can see where everything goes. So we start with the remote controller, that drops in there. The case isn't designed for the Pro Plus remote controller, but we think there is room for you to adapt it for it to fit. Okay, there's spare foam here and here, so we think it would be able to fit in. Then you've got space at the other end for an iPad mini, and I always carry a sun shade, a monitor hood, and that fits in there as well, which is nice. A nice little thing I always take with me, so I'm really glad it fits in. Then you've got space for the charger. Okay, goes in there, and batteries. So there's one on the drone, 2, 3 or 4 batteries in total. Next we've got the charging lead. There's a little space for that. Now what we found with this case is the plug is a bit of a squeeze. Okay, so if we put that in there, the plug is a little bit tight, so what you might need to do in the UK market is nip out a bit of foam somewhere. There is space to do that for the plug. I always carry a little battery with me just in case I need to charge up my phone or the iPad. That's a nice little bit of space for it in there. Extra cables and things, drop them in there. And then there's another space at the back, which I always take a copy of my insurance out with me, and business cards. I always like to have them to hand. So they go in there, no problem. And then the drone itself, great thing about this case is that you can put the drone on with the props already fitted. That's one of the main benefits of this case, along with the wheels as well. So everything in there, more or less everything that you need to go out and do a job. Close it up, clip it down, and you're good to go. So there you go, everything fitted in the case. You can carry it normally, or if you want to, you can pull out the extendable handle and use the wheels. Okay, thanks very much. Case is available from Leicester Drones in the UK with free shipping.